tall seated on the stability ball, dumbbell or kettlebell, neutral overhead press. So a couple things we have going on here. We're in the tall seated position, so very similar to how we were on the floor. Because we have nothing supporting our back, we have to maintain those ribs down and that belly braced because we don't have any foundation to lean away from it. Now we're on the ball as opposed to the floor for a slightly stronger position. It's a little bit easier to sit upright, but as we press, we're also going to naturally kind of push ourselves down into the ball. So it's going to force a little bit more eccentric control, or the down phase, as well as when you go to drive, it's going to require that tricep to fire just a little bit more, which in the end, since this is a pushing exercise, the tricep's going to be one of the primary movers, and it's going to take some pressure off the shoulder at the bottom of that position. So here we are, we're seating up nice and tall on the stability ball. Even though we're sitting, we're still getting that slight butt tuck underneath us to get our belly braced, and our ribs are staying down. We're in that neutral position, so palms are going to face each other. And then to allow some flexibility in the shoulder, it doesn't mean you have to strictly press straight up from that position. You can if your shoulders allow you, but you are allowed to create that slight J hook as you press to the top. But we're going to keep those palms facing each other, making this a very tricep and front or anterior shoulder dominant version of the press. So great one to master.